Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we're going to take a look at how you can reschedule posts in Squirrly Social with the help of AI. So basically, you're going to create an entirely new post with a fresh caption using AI. So the content feels fresh, feels new, even if you're using the same image or link. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. First, we are going to go over here to post groups. And by going over here to finish sending, we can see our posts over here. In order to create a new post using AI, all that we have to do is click on this button over here, Reschedule with AI. And now, by going over here to the Drafts tab, we can see our new post over here. So let's click on Edit. So you can see that it has a new caption like so. Okay, in order for this feature, for Reschedule using AI feature to work, you have to connect your Squirrly Social account with ChatGPT. So we have to go over here to your name and then to account settings. And then over here to ChatGPT, you have to add your ChatGPT key over here. You can also select a different model if you want so over here. In order to create your ChatGPT key, you will have to go to openai.com/API. And you will be able to start building it over here. By going back to Squirrly Social, to post groups, and once again to finish sending, let's click on Reschedule with AI on more posts, like so. So now if we're going back to the Drafts tab, we can see how easy it was to create basically 6 new posts by using the Reschedule with AI feature. And this will help to keep your content strategy consistent without sounding repetitive. So let's also approve some of those posts, like so. And now the posts that we have just approved that we can see over here in the Approve tab are going to be sent on those days at these hours and on this social media profile. You can change those settings by going over here to Profiles and Repetition. You can change the social media profile from over here, from this drop down. And by going over here to Schedule, you can change the days as well as the times. So let's wait just a little bit in order for the first approved social media post to go to our social media profile. Okay, some time has passed, so let's see it in our social media profile. Over here, let's refresh our X page and we can see our social media post over here. So it was that simple to basically create a new post with the Reschedule using AI feature. Until next time.